Welcome. If you want to keep your Gmail notifications private by hiding other notifications on your lock screen, I'll guide you through the updated steps to do just that. It's simple and quick, so let's get started. First, open your phone settings. This is where you control all your app and notification preferences. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps to view the list of all installed applications. From this list, find and select Gmail. This will open the app info page where you can manage Gmail settings. Now, tap on Notifications. Here you'll see various notification options connected to your Gmail app. Look for the option called Notification Categories and tap on it. This allows you to customize specific types of notifications within Gmail. Within Notification Categories, choose Other Notifications. These are notifications that don't fall under the main categories but still appear on your lock screen. Once inside Other Notifications, tap on Lock Screen. You will now see options for how notifications appear on your lock screen. To hide these emails or alerts completely, select Don't Show Notifications. That's it. By following these steps, you ensure that Gmail's other notifications won't appear on your lock screen anymore, giving you more privacy while keeping your device secure. Remember, these settings only affect the lock screen notifications from Gmail's Other Notifications category, so you will still receive important alerts when you unlock your phone. You can repeat similar steps for other apps if you want to manage their lock screen notifications too. Thanks for watching.